y'all, my name is Maddi Borland, and today we're here to teach you the steps to Move by Luke Bryan. Move is a 32 count floor wall dance. We're going to break it down to you in counts of 8. We're going to start weighted on our left foot and take 2 steps forward. Right, left. We're then going to start with our right heel, right toe, left heel. Then we're going to step onto that left foot, cross, and turn. Now we're going to move on to the next 8 counts. We're going to start with a kick with our right foot, kick left. Then we're going to cross, cross, and then with our left foot, we're going to point out, in, out, sailor turn. Awesome, so let's go ahead and put those 2 8 counts together. We'll turn around, 5, 6, 7, 8, forwards 2, heel, heel, toe, heel, step, turn. Kick, kick, cross, cross, point, out, sailor turn. Awesome, now we'll go ahead and teach you the third 8 count. Typically we would continue this facing forwards, but so that it's easier for you to follow, we're going to go ahead and turn around. We're going to start weighted on this left foot. We're going to step right, bump, bump, step left, bump, bump. We're then going to take our right foot, kick, ball, change, and shuffle back. Awesome, now we're going to go ahead and add all 3 8 counts together. 5, 6, 7, 8, step 1, 2, heel, heel, toe, heel, step, turn. Kick, kick, cross, cross, point, out, sailor turn. Bump, 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 kick, ball, change, shuffle. Awesome, and now for the 4th and final 8 counts. Again, we would be continuing this one forwards, but we're gonna go ahead and turn around so you can follow. So we just finished weighted back on this right foot. So we're going to take our left foot for a coaster step, then right we're going to push, push, kick, point, coaster step. And that's the whole dance. So let's go ahead and put it all together. 5, 6, 7, 8, step, 2, heel, heel, toe, heel, step, turn. Kick, kick, cross, cross, point, out, sailor turn. Bump, 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 bump. Kick, ball, change, shuffle, coaster step, push, push, kick, point, coaster step. And that's the whole dance. I would like to explain something really quick, that in the middle of the song there will be a restart. What this means is right after we do our sailor turn, we're going to go ahead and start from the beginning of the dance with walking forwards. Thank you all so much for joining us as we taught you the steps to move. Check out our YouTube playlist for some more instructional videos. We'll see you next time.